Hi all, welcome to the Independence series by ADVR Productions. I am Anushri Dikshit, the moderator of the show. This is an unusual panel discussion on freedom and expressions. Unusual because the panelists we have are children. The children are the future of the country, and it is important for us to know what are the views of children on freedom and expression. So, without much ado, let's hear it from the panelist. So, Shreya, please introduce yourself. Please unmute yourself, Shreya. Okay, I think some technical issue. Sneha, could you introduce
Yes,
yourself,
ma'am.
please? Please introduce yourself.
Ma'am, I have, ma'am, I have introduced. My name is Sneha Chaube.
Mm-hmm.
I studied in the Cambridge School in ninth class.
Okay.
Yeah, I live in Mahesh Nagar.
Okay, that's nice. Welcome to the show, Sneha.
Thank you,
And
ma'am.
we have Dikshant with us. Dikshant, अपना introduction दीजिए please.
My name is Dikshan. I also study in the Cambridge School, Mahesh Nagar. I live in the Krishna Nagar in Jaipur.
Fabulous. Welcome to the show. Okay, Saina. Saina, am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Saina, would you introduce yourself, please?
Good evening, everyone. I am Saina Kulshresht from Jayashree Perival High School.
Okay, wonderful. So, welcome to all the panelists over here in the panel discussion on freedom and expression. So, Sneha, can we know what are your views on freedom?
My views on the freedom is like freedom is the uh, right to have been independence from anything. We want the freedom from. As a girl, I want the freedom to move freely outside at the night and like roaming on the roads freely. And the freedom is like an opportunity to being self and point of view for us.
Fantastic. So you feel that freedom is something that we feel secure. So security is our right, and we need to not think before going or stepping out of our houses. All right,
Yes, ma'am.
that's a fantastic point that you've made. So what is freedom?
Okay, ma'am. Thank.
Dikshant,
Ma'am, according to me, the freedom is that right that we can express our views in front of everyone, and we can express ourselves in front of the world, and we can make pride of our country.
okay, fantastic, fantastic. So you mean to say that freedom is to express ourselves? Okay, Saina,
Yes, ma'am.
what is freedom according to you?
Ma'am, I feel that freedom is a God's gift to mankind. Through speech, a human being conveys his thoughts, and these can be conveyed by various things by writing, printing, pictures, or any other mode.
Okay, could you explain a little more, elaborate on this, please?
Sure, ma'am. Freedom of speech and expression is thus a natural right which a human being acquires on birth. It is therefore a basic right, and I would also like to say that everyone has the right to freedom of opinion and expression. The right includes freedom to hold opinions without interference, to seek and receive and impart information and ideas.
Fantastic, fantastic. That's a very valid point that you've made, that freedom is a gift by God, and freedom of expression and freedom of speech. That the speech that we have is actually a gift by God. Okay, so Vikas, according to you, आपको ऐसा क्यों लगता है कि फ्रीडम और एक्सप्रेशन को रिलेटेड है? आप तीनों से ही मेरा सवाल है, पर ओके, दीक्षांत।
मैम प्लीज रिपीट वन मोर
यस
टाइम।
दीक्षांत, मैं जानना चाहूंगी कि फ्रीडम और एक्सप्रेशन को रिलेट कैसे करते हैं?
Freedom and expression can be correlated as when we move outside in the streets and when we move outside of our country to represent our country. As an Indian, we want to express our country as a superpower or a, and make pride of our country.
Okay. Saina, can I have the views on this from you?
Sorry, ma'am, could you repeat?
How do you correlate freedom and expression?
Freedom is related to expression as like when we go out, we get to express ourselves only because we have freedom right now. If we wouldn't have freedom, we could have not expressed ourselves.
Sneha, what are your views on freedom and expression? How do you correlate them?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, everyone has the right to express their opinions and views. But in the present, the society is like that. They post their views on the people's, as we don't have the freedom to express our views properly and freely. So the right shall include the freedom to hold opinions and and to receive and impart the independence, information and ideas without any human interpretation or any public authority regardless of frontiers. This way the freedom and expressions are related. Without
Okay.
freedom, we can't express our views freely in front of everyone.
Okay, very valid points. May I know that what do you think, like during the colonial rule or during the British rule,
Yes, ma'am.
we didn't have a lot of rights. So could you
Yes, ma'am.
just tell me, why do we want freedom or independence so badly? According to you, अगर आज हम independent हैं, तो उससे हमें क्या फायदे हुए हैं? जब हम पहले slaves थे, जब हम पहले रूल ब्रिटिशर्स के द्वारा किए जा रहे थे, तो उसके क्या नुकसान थे? तो सबसे पहले विकास कुछ बताएंगे इस बारे में? आई एम सॉरी, दीक्षांत, प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ। क्या दीक्षांत,
Yes, ma'am.
आपने मेरा सवाल सुना?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, but due to the network fluctuation, ma'am, can you please repeat the last lines?
यस, हम जो हमें स्वतंत्रता मिली है, जो हमें इंडिपेंडेंस मिली है, while we were being ruled by Britishers, what were the drawbacks? And today, when we are independent, what are the advantages of being independent?
Ma'am, during the British rule, we are not allowed to trade at the vast countries like at the previous times. We are able to trade very easily, and we have to pay taxes to the British. But now we have to pay the tax to the only country which helps us to increase our facilities for for us.
Okay.
At the colonial house, when we pay the taxes to the British, they only use these taxes for their uses. They don't even use these taxes to help us or to create or provide facilities to us.
Okay, very, very, very well said. So, Saina, what are your views on this? Could you throw some light on the advantages of freedom and disadvantages of slavery?
Sure, ma'am. Ma'am, when we were ruled by the British, we did not have the opportunity to speak, act, or and pursue happiness without unnecessary external restrictions. And now that we are independent, we have all these things to express ourselves. And also, freedom is important because it leads to enhanced expression of creativity and original thoughts.
Fantastic. Very well said. Okay. Sneha, can we have your views on this?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, at that time, the disadvantage is that the people are not self-independent. They are dependent on others politically, economically, and socially. So they are the occupations and the traders were held by the powerful country, which bound ourselves. We can't grow. We can't grow self. We are not self-dependent. We are dependent on them for everything, for opinions, for economically, for socially.
Okay. So I think the major advantage of freedom is that every citizen becomes the part of the government. Right. So it is actually we who elect our own government, and it is we who decide, actually, by electing the representatives, we decide that how is the government going to function. Yeah, because it is the manifestos of different parties that we select, right? So for example, there's one party, they have their manifestos, their commitments, their methodology of working, their planning, that their strategies, right? And so that's why we elect that which one is better for us. Okay, that's a beautiful point that you have made, and you have said that we become independent. We become dependent on others for our political and economic growth. I quite agree with the point of yours. So how many kinds of freedom are there according to you?
Ma'am, on which base, like all the freedoms or the types, subtypes of these freedom expressions?
I just want to know your idea of freedom. So our country has provided a fundamental rights to people. So there's one right to freedom. Okay. Now there also, as you are saying, subtypes. So please let me know how many kinds of freedom do we have?
And can I tell?
Please.
Yes, ma'am. There are 8 subtypes of this. First, freedom for speech and expressions, freedom to assemble without arms, freedom to form association or union, freedom to move freely, freedom to live or reside anywhere, freedom right to education. Thank you, ma'am.
Please carry on.
Ma'am, done. I have said all the fundamental rights.
Fantastic. Okay. So any of the panelists from Dikshant and Saina, can you elaborate on any of the subtypes of freedom?
Ma'am, may I?
Please.
Ma'am, I am describing the freedom of information or the right to information. Ma'am, according to the RTI, every person is guaranteed or given the right to information so that we can get information about any of the things like government services and but these rights are restricted to some regions, like we can't able to ask or question something to other about their personal interest or something like that.
ओके इसको थोड़ा और एक्सप्लेन करेंगे प्लीज.
Ma'am, we are also get facilitated by our government that we have search engines like Google and other, so that we can get information directly and very quickly by what we are finding.
Okay. Saina, can we have some views from you?
Sure, ma'am. Ma'am, I would like to elaborate on the freedom of belief and religion. So I would like to say that everyone has the right to freedom of thought, conscience, and religion. This right includes freedom to change his religion or belief, and freedom, either alone or in a community with others, and in public or private, to manifest his religion or belief.
Fantastic, fantastic. So, do you mean to say that I have, or maybe you have, complete right to change our religion?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके सो आप तीनों से ही मेरा सवाल है कि ऐसा बहुत बार देखने को मिलता है कि अगर हम अपना कोई बिलीफ या रिलीजन चेंज करने की बात करते हैं या आपने न्यूज़ में भी पढ़ा होगा अगर हम कहीं और किसी और कास्ट में विवाह की बात करते हैं ओके तो भी हमारे कंट्री में बहुत ज़्यादा इश्यूज या कंट्रोवर्सीज होने लग जाती हैं ओके तो आपको क्या लगता है हमको ये फ्रीडम है कि हम कोई भी रिलीजन कोई भी बिलीफ या किसी भी इंसान से म्यूचुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग पर शादी कर सकते हैं ये हमारा फ्रीडम है राइट है
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ओके तो अगर इसके ऊपर कंट्रोवर्सीज
Yes,
होती
ma'am.
हो तो क्या वो आपके हिसाब से सही है
No, ma'am.
मतलब हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ने हमें राइट दिया हुआ है ऑल ऑफ यू
Yes, ma'am.
ओके
Yes, ma'am.
स्नेहा दीक्षांत एंड साइना आप तीनों से ही मेरा सवाल है कि एक और भी बहुत बड़ी चीज होती है मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं इंडिया के किसी भी पार्ट में जाकर नौकरी करना चाहती हूँ ओके मगर अभी ऐसे बहुत सारे आंदोलन छिड़ने लगे हैं कि सिर्फ वही के लोगों को वहां पर नौकरी मिलनी चाहिए राइट दूसरी जगह के लोग नहीं आ सकते हैं तो आपको क्या लगता है हमारा राइट है पूरे देश में जाके कहीं भी नौकरी करने का या नहीं
Yes, ma'am. Because we
Yes,
can say
ma'am.
that
Yes, ma'am.
right.
ओके दीक्षांत आप क्या बोलते हैं इस पर
Ma'am, we have that right that we can move here and there freely, but due to some organization, we are restricted or we are not allowed to perform that right freely.
ओके इस तरह की और भी कुछ चीजें क्या आपने सुनी हुई है कि ऐसा ऐसा कुछ हो रहा है फ्रीडम ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन जिसे हम बोलते हैं कि अगर मैं अपनी कोई बात किसी के सामने रखना चाहती हूँ तो नहीं रख पाती हूँ
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, may I?
हाँ प्लीज दीक्षांत कुछ एग्जांपल्स बता
Ma'am, the
सकते हैं
poor
आप?
Ma'am, the poor sections of the society are not allowed to express their expressions freely or independently.
ओके ये आपने बहुत बड़ी बात बोली है कैसे आपको ऐसा क्यों लगता है क्योंकि आप अभी 9th to 12th क्लास के ही स्टूडेंट्स हैं तो आपको ऐसा फील क्यों हुआ दीक्षांत मेरा सवाल आपसे है
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have feel that because near my area there are some poor people who live at my back streets. Then these people are not allowed or go inside at the office or they have to perform low wages jobs.
दे हैव टू परफॉर्म थोड़ा सा और क्लियरली बताएंगे मुझे थोड़ा डाउट लग रहा है आप क्या बोल रहे हैं इसमें मतलब आपके घर के पीछे कुछ लोग रहते हैं आप कह रहे हैं और उनको ऑफिस के अंदर नहीं जाने दिया जाता है
No, ma'am, not that way. Ma'am,
हाँ.
they do their works, but they have to do. They are not able to do the equal. They have not equal status in the society.
ओके इक्वल स्टेटस ये एक बहुत बड़ा टर्म है आप कैसे कह रहे हैं कि इक्वल स्टेटस नहीं मिलता क्या होता है इक्वल स्टेटस
Ma'am, they are not able to equally finance. They have not equal financial support like we have. Ma'am, do like these during the COVID-19 period, we are able to manage as we have the back saving when we have savings, but they have to face some we have to face some issues.
ओके तो ये कहना चाह रहे हैं कि फ्रीडम ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन न होने की वजह से आप कह रहे हैं कि इक्वल स्टेटस नहीं मिल पाया। थोड़ा सा मुझे यहाँ पे कंफ्यूजन लग रहा है आपकी बात में, बट ठीक है, मैं हमारे दूसरे पैनल से पूछती हूँ। हाँ, बताइए दीक्षांत।
Ma'am, we have freedom of expression, but the society has not allowed that these people completely. Ma'am, the more 90% or 99% the sections are changed, but some sections are also yet we have not get all these rights.
ओके, नाउ आई गेट इट। तो ये कहना चाह रहे हैं कि फ्रीडम ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन बहुत ज्यादा मात्रा में लोगों को मिला हुआ है, मगर ऐसे बहुत सी ऑप्रेस्ड और ऐसे बहुत से सेक्शंस हैं जहां पे उनको एक्सप्रेस करने की छूट या आजादी नहीं दी गई है। यही कहना चाह रहे हैं आप? ओके दीक्षांत, थैंक यू। या साइना वांटेड टू से समथिंग, आई थिंक।
Yes, ma'am. On the same point, I would like to say that the low caste people, means the people who don't get the equal status, it is because of our society only, because they don't have that much of financial support, or they're not having from a very long time. This has been going on in every country. I must say that low caste people are treated very differently than the normal or the higher class people.
Wow, I mean, I would like to know, how do you know about it? Have you seen this happening around you?
Yes, ma'am, I have seen this happening around me. Like the people who work, like the domestic support we have, like the workers and the people who come in our houses to clean our houses, they are treated very differently than the normal people. Like I have seen that when like the truck comes, that Swachh Bharat truck comes, the driver sitting in it is treated very like low caste. Like they are being treated like they are from a very low caste, and their work is to just clean and do all like this stuff which normal people don't do normally, like clean the house and all the stuff.
All right. So, Saina, do you think so that they have complete freedom to do whatever they want?
No, ma'am, I don't think so.
Okay, okay, that's something really shaking me from the core, because you are such small children and you are not only feeling this, you are experiencing this. I mean, you have good hearts, and today you are kids. That's why you are as innocent as God. But you know, I'm really shaken कि हमारे बच्चों को ये सब देखना पड़ रहा है और वो ये सब महसूस कर रहे हैं। स्नेहा, you were about to share your
Yes, ma'am.
experience. Tell me, please.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, like in society, that boys and girls are equal, but every part of the society, because some part of the society in our society like that, they treated the girl as like threat in our house. Like female foeticide happens, that feels so bad for the girl who been not born, and she been killed in our stomach only. And if she got born, she faces many problems, like not to they don't have the right to educate, they don't have the right to move freely outside, they don't have the right to talk anyone, they have to live like in a cage, they have to captain it and live your life. So basically it is being very conscious for us to being free. I need to freedom these, because the girls are very like suffocated in the house. Some girls, like I experienced in my neighbors, one girl is my, she usually talks me from balcony, but she never goes out. I ask sometimes, why you not roaming outside or playing with us? She said that my mother and father are not allowed to me go outside. They only said to me to sit in a room only and study, and they are saying that you have to keep out from the study 10th class. मतलब you can, आप खाली 10th class तक ही पढ़ सकते हो, उसके बाद नहीं पढ़ना आपको. And I have been like thinking that why the society have been like thinking the girls can also study, the girls can also be proud of parents, why the boys only proud for parents? Girls have also heard, girls have also life, girls have also rights to say anywhere, to go anywhere, to live life freely.
माय गॉड, और ये जो आप बातें मुझे बता रही हैं उसे सुनकर मैं, ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं जानती नहीं हूँ कि ये सब होता है, मगर मुझे बहुत अफसोस हो रहा है कि आप बहुत ही अच्छे स्कूल्स में पढ़ने वाले, आप लोग प्रिविलेज्ड हैं, आपके ऐसे माता पिता हैं जो आपको पढ़ा रहे हैं, मगर मुझे अफसोस ये हो रहा है कि आप लोगों के साथ में ही जैसे आप लोग हैं वैसे ही शायद आपके आसपास के लोग होंगे, उनका स्टैंडर्ड वे ऑफ लिविंग सब कुछ शायद आपके जैसा ही होगा, और उसके बावजूद वो जो फ्रीडम है, जो एक अधिकार है जो सबका फ्रीडम का, उससे डिनाई किया जा रहा है. राइट टू एजुकेशन, राइट, हमको फ्रीडम मिलनी चाहिए, हम कहीं भी जा सकते हैं, कहीं भी आ सकते हैं, और पढ़ाई का एजुकेशन का जो हक है हमारा, वो हमें नहीं मिल रहा है, और आप लोगों को ये सब फेस करना पड़ रहा है. तो इट इज वेरी डिसअपॉइंटिंग एंड प्रीटी अनफॉर्चुनेट. चलिए, हमारी ये एक्सपीरियंसेस वाली बात तो बहुत हो गई. अब आपको क्या लगता है कि हाउ कैन वी चेंज दिस, किस तरह से हम चेंज कर सकते हैं? दीक्षांत.
Ma'am, we can also change our society by making the new rules that for example, the girls can even make our country pride, and the poor sections of the society can also make the India as and represent the India. For example, the Bhim Rao Ambedkar of our country has written the constitution, and he also from a lower section of the society, but he made the largest constitution of the world, the Indian Constitution.
Fabulous, fabulous, right. If we are free to do whatever we want, we can definitely you know we can always fulfill our dreams, we can achieve our goals. Okay, Saina, how do you think you can make a difference in the society, or the society can make a difference by utilizing the freedom and expression?
Yes, ma'am. I think that by giving moral support also helps people, and also awareing people on the social media or any platform which we have, and telling them that everyone has equal rights and everyone has freedom to speech, expression, and everything, like all equal rights which we have.
Very good. Something, I mean, this thing that you have mentioned, giving moral support, it is very important for all of us. Right. Okay, Sneha.
Yes, ma'am.
So, how do you think society can make a difference by using freedom and expression?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the only solution of this, because the people, we should aware the people by the advantage of the new rules, like the girls will be allowed to go outside. The lower class people can also do the higher jobs, like the government jobs. The lower people have also their status and their have the freedom of them. So we should be aware of the, we should do aware the people that everyone has the right to freedom of speech and expression.
Fabulous, fabulous. Okay, so can I have a concluding remark from each of you? We'll start with Dikshant.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I have a concluding remark from you? Is that a technical issue? Dikshant, are you there?
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, audible. जाते जाते एक संदेश दीजिए आपके जैसे बच्चों को, आपके दोस्तों को, कि हम अपनी सोसाइटी में फ्रीडम और एक्सप्रेशन को कैसे पॉजिटिव तरीके से यूज कर सकते हैं.
Ma'am, we can make the freedom of expression we can use that right of our which is given by our country in a positive way when we also support the country by using the any means like the social networking by the personal health and etc.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Saina?
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, firstly, I would like to say that we need to understand that everyone has the right to freedom of speech and expression. And I've heard this quote, so I would like to end my case by saying this, that freedom of expression is taken away, then dumb and silent we may be led like sheep to slaughter.
Fabulous. Sneha?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I have a concluding remark from you?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, from my point of view, I want to say that we want the freedom of everything, that for girls, for poor peoples, for the lower caste peoples, they have the right for expression, speech, views, and free to move anywhere and talk to anyone. But ma'am, that there is a such things also, that if we want freedom, then we have this.
Uh, I missed your point, Sneha. There was some disturbance.
Ma'am, I'm saying that if we get freedom, then we get the responsibilities for this also, that we should follow or we should respect for them. Without responsibility, the freedom is useless.
Fabulous, fabulous. So she says that without responsibility, the freedom is useless. And I think all the panelists have made a fabulous remark, and they have made their very valid and some thought provoking points here. So thank you very much, panelists. It was wonderful to have you on this show. And you will be receiving an e-certificate from ADVR Productions for the participation. And we actually did this panel discussion to show the world that it is not always fighting, it is not always argument. Okay, we can have these kinds of panel discussions and we can always exchange our thoughts and views. This is what panel discussion is all about. So thank you, sweet children, and I wish you all the best. God bless you. Thank you, audience, for being so lovely and for being so patient. I hope you all enjoyed. And please, let us pledge to not give these children the chances or the experiences of this kind that they have faced. Thank you, everyone. Jai Hind.